Hey everybody, happy homecoming. I just wanted to do a little video to show you how to work Google Meets in Google Classroom. Okay, I know a lot of our elementary students are at home and our teachers are virtually teaching them via Google Meets inside of Google Classroom. Don't use Google Meets by itself. Go inside of Google Classroom like your normal classroom scheduled. And then you see right over here, there's a generate meet link. If you haven't done this yet, it's going to say generate meet link. The class code up there is just to get them into the class. The meet link is how you get them into a live Google Meet. Okay, so you click on it and then say generate meet link. Once you do that, it's going to become visible to students if you say save. Okay, so from here, all the student and all the teacher have to do is click that little Google Meet button. It's going to pop up and it's going to show your video. And then it's also going to say join or present. If you click join now, it will allow the video to become live and students can join it. Okay, it won't work right any other way. So just click join now, and then you essentially are starting your meeting. This is here, but all of your students inside of your Google Classroom can see it and can become live with it. So then you would be able to see this. Okay, now inside of that, you also know that you can record your meeting. Okay, you can click on it to record your meeting, or you can click here to change your layout. But you will need to make sure that you generate that meet link so that they can see it automatically.